These factory ride goggles just came out a couple years ago, but they're already setting the standard in modern day goggle technology. These are my personal goggles of choice, and if you think that all goggles are made the same, check this out. The factory ride goggle have a wave latch lens locking system, which makes lens replacement no problem. With that, the lenses feature extreme definition technology, and they come with a hard coating and anti-fog treatment. Not only are they pre-curved to fit in the goggle frame so much better, but the hard coating makes them almost impossible to scratch. Unlike the old ones, if you looked at them too hard, they would scratch. Not these factory ride goggles. A few more cool details about these goggles. They come with a detachable vented nose piece, they're quick change roll-off system compatible, have 20mm multi-layered contoured face foam, and also have an ultra-wide woven strap with silicone traction to make sure your goggle band stays put. They also come with this handy storage bag to help you keep these babies clean. Along with roll-offs, we also carry both laminate and traditional style tear-offs. While you're at it, don't forget to pick up some extra lenses of all different colors so you're dialed for all conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to go pick up a set of these factory ride goggles at MotoSport.com.